Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in tools and gadgets. Today, we're diving deep into the world of pneumatic tools with a standout performer, the best air locker nail punch on the market. If you're serious about precision and efficiency in your projects, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Now, let's break down what makes the air locker nail punch such a game changer. Designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tool combines robust build quality with cutting-edge technology to streamline your workflow. First up, durability. Crafted from premium materials, this nail punch is built to last, ensuring it remains a staple in your toolkit for years to come. The ergonomic design not only feels great in your hand but also enhances accuracy, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Performance-wise, it's a force to be reckoned with. The air locker nail punch delivers unparalleled precision, effortlessly driving nails to the perfect depth without marring the surface. Whether you're working with hardwoods, softwoods, or composite materials, its adjustable depth control ensures consistent results every time. Versatility is another key feature. Compatible with a wide range of nail sizes, from delicate finishing nails to sturdy framing nails, this tool adapts to various project needs with ease. It's a true all-rounder, ideal for everything from furniture assembly to construction projects. Safety is paramount, and the air locker nail punch doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a reliable safety mechanism that prevents accidental firing, giving you peace of mind on the job site. Plus, the quick-release nose allows for swift nail jams clearance, minimizing downtime and frustration. Wrapping up, if you're looking to elevate your woodworking or construction projects, look no further than the best air locker nail punch. With its blend of durability, precision, and versatility, it's a must-have for any serious craftsman. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews and expert insights. Until next time, happy crafting from Product Critique.